Do English phrasal verbs confuse you? Let's look at 4 very common phrasal verbs and give their meaning. Call off. This means to cancel something. Cancel کردنی شتێک. بۆ نمونە, I called off the trip because I got sick. Check on. To find out if someone or something is safe or okay. زانین ئەگەر کەسێک یان شتێک باش و سەلامەت بێت. When I was sick, my mom called to check on me. Check out. This means to pay attention to something or to try to get information about someone or something. تركيزکردن لەسەر شتێک یان کەسێک بۆ ئەوێ زانیاری وەربگریت. I checked out the options for a future trip. Check out can also mean the process of leaving a hotel when you have finished your stay there. Check with. To ask someone their opinion or if something is allowed or okay. پرسیارکردن لە ڕای کەسێک یان پرسیارکردن ئەگەر شتێک باش یان دروست بێت. I checked with my friends to see if they wanted to travel with me.